Hello everyone, I am Ravi Kiran and I welcome you to my PL-300 Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Practice Test course. This course will help you achieve the Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Associate certification. In this course, you will not see any typical what is the or which is the kind of simple one-liner questions. Each question is scenario based and challenges you to understand, apply and analyze your knowledge. I have simulated the actual Microsoft exam experience for you in the form of single answer or multiple answer questions, active screen questions, drag and drop questions, build list and reorder questions, repeated scenario questions and so on. Explanations to every question are in-depth and run parallel to the product with clear callouts, corroborating evidence with Microsoft products like Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. The correct and incorrect answers are very close to pick from and are given equal importance. So there is no stepmotherly treatment while explaining incorrect answers. I take enough effort to explain the rationale for each answer choice, whether correct or wrong, including all the reference links. You don't have to worry about inaccurate sentence framing, wrong grammar, or incorrect punctuations. My question preparation pipeline uses Grammarly to review and fix every error. And for some questions, you may have to search for answers in the given reference link. A quick preview feature shows a screenshot of the relevant paragraph to which the correct answer refers, thereby improving your productivity. Finally, you wouldn't see any repetition of questions just to increase the question count. I welcome you to enroll in my course and wish you all the best in preparing for the certification.